In this video, I'll show you how to link bank account to Coinbase. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So you can add a debit card and or a bank account to your Coinbase.com account as a payment method. Now you can add a bank account by making a deposit using the Pay ID or BSB plus account number uniquely assigned to your Coinbase account. Now, all you're gonna do is click on this one, add a bank account. But before you can move on, you must link your bank account to the deposit funds into your AUD balance on Coinbase. And linking your bank account will also verify it. Your first deposit may take up to 24 hours to complete due to your bank's security measures. And for you to be able to do that, sign into your Coinbase.com account, select the profile and choose setting. And of course, you have to select the payment methods tab, select add a payment method, and of course, select bank account. Now, all you're gonna do is follow the instructions listed to add your bank account using either Pay ID or BSB plus account number, then select OK. You'll see a confirmation once you make a successful bank transfer. If you're using the Coinbase mobile app, simply all you're gonna do is add a bank account, access the Coinbase mobile app, select the icon and choose profile and settings, select add a payment method, select bank account and follow the instructions listed to add your bank account using either Pay ID or BSB plus account and then select OK. And then you'll see a confirmation once you make a successful bank transfer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.